Hi there everybody, we're going to be replacing a Joycon joystick. So first, I'm going to be going to the controllers and sensors to show you that the joystick is actually drifting. Then you go to the calibrate control sticks, and here in a few seconds you'll be able to see how it's drifting pretty bad. It goes all the way out to the border, to the edge. And if you can, please like and subscribe, share the video if you can. It will help the channel grow. And hopefully you'll find some value out of this video. You'll be able to save some money. The kit to replace these, it cost me $10 in Amazon. And buying a new Joy-Con costs $40. So you're saving $30 on the first one. And if you have two bad ones, instead of buying two for $80, you're only buying the kit for $10, which has two. It comes with the two joysticks, and if your latches, so when you latch the control to the Nintendo Switch, if it's not latching properly, it also has two latches for it. So here I'm going to be removing the cable for the battery, and I didn't notice at the beginning, but you just have to pull that cable up. I thought you had to pull it out towards the side, but no, you just pull it up and it comes out pretty easily. The battery's going to fly out because it has glue, so you can hold it so that it doesn't fly out. Then remove those three screws. And be careful with the button on the top because you might lose the spring on it. And this is my first time doing this. I've never done this before. I never opened a Joy-Con controller or any other controllers. And it was kind of scary at the beginning, like when you're watching YouTube videos to decide if you want to spend the money on buying the joystick or not. But it's only $10, and I figured, well, if I'm going to buy a Joy-Con controller for $40, might as well try it out and save $30. So for these, all you do is the same on all. You open that little tab and then pull out the ribbon cables. Then the next step would be to remove those screws right there for the joystick. And there's like a little gasket on the joystick. If you're having a hard time, it might be getting stuck there when you're trying to pull it out, like in the video right now. But it's pretty easy to get it out. It's just that I was filming while trying to take it out. Then you put your new joystick back on. The old one, make sure that you don't confuse it with the spare one that you have in the little box. So put it away somewhere else, or just get rid of it. I ended up opening mine, so at the end of the video you'll see what it looks like on the inside. I was hoping I could fix it, but the metal on the sides broke. I guess I could glue it, but I don't know if it's gonna work after opening it, because I didn't see anything wrong on the inside. If anybody knows why they drift like that and how to fix them, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, just be careful with the ribbon cables. They're pretty sturdy. They didn't break. I wasn't trying to be too careful with them, but I was trying not to break them, obviously. Then you just go backwards. You put the ribbon cables in, then you close the tab to lock them in place. Be careful with the buttons, with the springs. You don't want to lose them. There you go, buddy. And if you haven't done so yet, please like, subscribe, share the video if you can. It will help me grow the channel. At some point I'll start giving away stuff if the channel grows enough. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, it seems like it's hard, but it's not that hard. I'm sure if you do this one, you'll feel way more confident to do the second one or third one that you have, and eventually you'll just buy new joysticks instead of buying new Joy-Cons. Unless you have a ton of money and you don't care, and I guess you'll just buy the Joy-Cons. Or you could put those $30 that you save in the stock market, buy some GME when it goes down. If it goes down. All right. So you put the cover back on for the battery, then you put the 3 screws in to hold it in place. And you'll think what you're going to do with those $30 that you're saving. Maybe buy a fractional share of some other stock. All right, so you get your battery in there, and then you put that connection there. And I don't think I realized the first time I did this that you have to come from the top. I was thinking that you could put it in from the side, and that's why I'm having a hard time. I could have edited this out and just showed you the end, but I think a lot of the struggle that I had putting all these connections in will help you not do that. You'll know what's the right way. See, so there you just go in from the top and you just push it in. Come on. All right. And I'll try to add a link for the little kit that I bought from Amazon. I'm sure there's a ton of them and you'll find them easily. And make sure that whenever you do that second half and the first half that holds the battery, make sure you don't pinch the ribbon cables. You don't want to damage them. And then after you're done putting everything back together, we'll go through the end here and check that all the buttons work. That way you're not wasting your time and having to find all the tools again and opening it later when you're trying to play. So first we'll do the calibration for the joystick, and after that we'll make sure that all the buttons work. And if you have any advice for me, please leave me a comment. Let me know how I can improve the video. And there you go. We go to settings, control and sensors, calibrate control sticks, and it works perfect. I made this video a few months ago, and I don't know why it just takes me forever to upload these. I do the audio later on after the video is complete, and the joystick is still working fine. I just wanted to let you know that it did work. It's not like it's working right now and then it stopped working later on. So then you go to control sensors and test input devices, and there you can check all your buttons. That way, if something's not working, if one of those ribbon cables wasn't connected properly, you would know right now. And that's what the joystick looks on the inside. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want. And have a great day. I hope this was helpful. Later. See you next time.